Everybody thinks she my sister.
They do a different flavor. Hello?
Huh? This is so nice, $25. This color right here.
I need to put all the customer service there.
Why? Them out back from where?
And carry them way up underneath the house.
Where's on it? Those on the step.
Yes.
The
Turkey couldn't even find them up the dark. Me can't go give them if I carry them. Them not see now. Me have to wait until when they come out and I see them take 6 to 8 weeks to manage for them own, you know, like come out, come walk and so.
Cuties, newbies, welcome back to another vlog. Today is March the 2nd. Anyway, guys, my mom is here. So we're going on the road together. We are packing for Jamaica. Well, she packed a couple barrels. Much barley I packed with me? This is the foolishness I'm talking about. Dog ties.
These are ties of my puppy.
Can't imagine. I don't know, inside of the house, the dog didn't live there.
Them be alright.
By the way, Bibbles had puppies. So I'm an auntie, okay? Bibbles got 6 puppies. Can y'all believe that? Baby. Yeah. So anyway, she buy like a whole bunch of tie for them. How are them gone?
The box them.
One whole heap of little. Boy, I don't understand, you know. Yeah. So the kids then get replaced. The kids then don't get toys no more.
I don't buy for kids anymore. The dog out. And Bibbles now have nothing more I get either.
So Bibbles day is done.
Yeah, Bibbles bring 6 baby come here, you know.
Yeah, so anyway, we are going to Costco. BJ's. We're just going to do some shopping.
Just a little bit though.
And then come back and start. I don't think we're going to pack the barrels today. I think we're going to do it tomorrow.
You can just imagine that tomato
What's that?
seed for plant.
Oh. So you plant tomato Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
She plant tomato Jamaica and she don't live there. She don't live there. So she'll go down, plant it and then do what? And then do what left it?
I'm going home very soon.
Every year me hear that. Every
No,
year.
I told you when I was supposed to go home. What is this? Is this yours or me?
Oh, I think this is the thing where them have to clean out the face. One kit for take out blackhead and stuff. Come back and pull it. Yeah, like I said, she don't live in Jamaica, but she go down a plant tree. And then she get mad when none of the pitting them there, nobody know want to water them and take care of them. Then she get pissed off and her high blood pressure go up and
Now go.
yeah, now go up.
Some of these boxes are too much.
You know, I'm careful, you know.
Oh, comes in your careful can.
Because yesterday it full and it couldn't hold. Some put them up in the car, think me I carry them over.
So much easier to pack.
What's that?
The garden tool it look like. Yep.
Our garden tool to box. You mean business?
Yep. My garden tools.
Talk about Bible styles there, my love.
This baby.
Some want know all them 6 puppy there, them start name them yet?
No, I'm gonna look you guys out. I buy a birth certificate for them.
You buy what?
And then birth certificate order. So me just to fill them in.
Oh Jesus Christ.
That's the dog's birth certificate.
You ever see this?
So Bibbles not in birth certificate here. I don't just if the dog get the I just
What?
my thing then I know my doggy.
I cannot.
This are the under sink.
Cuties, I'm telling you something. My mother never liked dog. So I don't understand what happened out of the blue. She become this big dog lover. But pet is not her thing. cat,
used to love cats.
but not in the house and not
No,
like for do
outside.
things to them like this.
Yeah, no.
She's not a pet person. And no, she's just this big dog lady. Me don't understand. I don't know. Oh my
Right, yeah,
God.
without dog. Oh my dog, birth certificate them and stuff.
Oh,
They didn't dirt you.
oh God, the kids them really they need some Crocs. Especially Omar baby them.
Yeah, I hope them Crocs fit them. I think this are for the big one and this are for the little one. You think they will work?
Them are gonna look big, but them will wear them. A Crocs are so Crocs
if
wear.
big, it's okay. I'm gonna buy accessories for them too.
If that have to come out, you don't want to wait till we come back, mommy?
Let me just try to see, but you never ready. Me just have one look.
What that? Clothes.
My little niece. Hot in your lifestyle.
It is, right?
Yeah.
At them pitney every
They
minute.
need to turn the heat down.
Every minute them cold. Look how far they eat there. 8 yard.
You're crazy.
I saw them go on. I saw them stay.
Okay.
They're cute though. Yeah, that look like she.
Then that means that some are going to wear now and some not going to wear now. She put them up. Garbage and something that look like yesterday full.
Yes, so still full, mommy.
That's not supposed to man.
We need to go and do this when we get back. Because you still have to go through them when we come back.
Go.
We'll drive your car, right? Cause but yes,
car full, me not even know if it
my car full too. Me don't know how me I get the
car
stuff them out there.
or something. I remember we leave one place and went to another because we didn't have any light.
Reach a crack stuff for me, please. And carry the box when you come.
That way you're going?
Me carry pack around the back.
Oh, this is going on my car. You said that's your something, right?
Yeah, that's mine.
You want this?
Thanks.
And the boxes go where?
Around the back. When you come, just bring them.
Yeah, but I go to the front. My car's right here.
Are you driving?
Yeah, but I have to move my car. Can I leave my car on the roadside?
Yeah. Yeah. What do you mean?
I ride it up in the snow like...
Yeah, it can stay there.
Okay.
Let's walk with your key. You never want one cat? You don't want to take up one cat? Where? This is something what is? A cat that? Okay, cutie, so we're at BJ's. I don't care at so. One cat you want and I want two.
No, you don't need 2 cards.
BJ's will make you check out without cats. Without card, I mean. Maybe you have to go get one.
Sorry. Yeah, it's okay there. You want to look at it?
Or the oh, the sweatsuit them. These are so pretty. Oh, Little Miss Princess. Them cutie. A girl put the clothes them. Girl baby. They may attack. Yeah, they look little. So the big one them are only top. A scrubs them, yeah?
What are those?
Scrubs.
No, I'm not think so. There? No.
Alright, what you look for?
Alright, I'm gonna go down this aisle because I think I see where the crackers are.
On them, yeah? $2 you want?
Yes. No, take up that.
And them you want?
A buster.
Oh. I throw me there, so I try to avoid the bus one and take it up. Just go in every aisle and see where you want. Pick up, pick up.
Yeah, pick up, pick up. Yeah, no, what?
That's what the like the generic brand to that?
That.
Oh.
That are the generic.
So how much for that one, yeah? How much for this?
Yeah, see price there?
No, for this one.
$12, $11.99, $12.99.
But are this oh. And this a 7 something?
Yeah. You feel my soap? Don't tie it the rest of my business and I do it. Me not business that I do it.
This not bad for 4, mommy? No, this not bad. I them I buy all a while. I'll 2 of them I get $7 for 2. So this is not bad for all 4. Pretty things you like. Eh?
I'm not for left there.
Oh.
Try to get one and then a triple pack, right?
So you don't want a trip, you want one single one?
No, I want one for downstairs.
Yeah, them I will sell them in a bungle.
No $15 to spend right now.
A $10, $11 for each rate. $11?
$15.99.
Oh yeah, up a top with price there.
Lifestyle not cheap.
I know. You take it?
Yeah, but take it time and have no lifestyle with Jamaica. You know that Jamaica.
And you need your,
left enough.
and you need your lifestyle.
Oh, every time somebody sneezes me, I feel like my lifestyle is free.
What you gonna do with that?
Put it up in your bathroom and fix it up and put your liquor stuff in it. How much one treat like that?
$24 feet. 25.
No, this your feet.
Oh.
This is good enough, the area.
T-
Really, really good. But it's not a Indian amount for that.
Right.
I buy myself.
A $16 for the bag too?
£12 in the bag.
The thing is, who I'm supposed to have the bucket them, so buy them and throw it in a bucket. Them are cheaper, 16.
Yeah. And how much all in the bag? So 3 of that bag give the bucket.
Hey. Well, just take up the bucket where you normally buy then. Down here for 14. 14. This over here saw for 15. What do you mean, how much tonight? How much wash? I'm gonna read them there's something there, mommy. When them tell us our 10 wash in that tree.
Huh?
When them tell us our 10 wash in that tree, you get.
No, but you know how much in them. The bottle you just...
Wow, that one the big.
These are bigger. And this are downy.
Smell good too?
I mean, I know if this smell good or not. I have it by the pink one.
I can't even smell nothing here, so.
So better me take this down.
Are your clothes alone them I wash?
Unless that smell good, come and smell it again. I'm sure this smells good.
Take that.
I'm sure
No, say no one a Sofitel. What's that, the Tide?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
ever
it's
use them?
yeah. But when me get it from the boots of them, come and I pay them money I feel with them there.
And it lasts long because there's so much in there. You just throw one in your wash.
No, sir. We can't throw one that in my wash. Them that funny I wash baby clothes or a little bit of clothes. Not in my yard. If me ever buy this put in my yard, them treat it like the $10 soap down the road. Me not do that. You have to buy them something when you live alone and know if it manage them. Now with them bag of pitney here. My love. Me dear. Wrap them up in a plastic. What you do with plastic? What you do with them bag here?
No, let me just have plastic bag in case me have something to put in the fridge and then we'll it.
I'm bag a scandal bag.
What?
I'm bag a scandal bag. Come in. Make them the dear so. But them a bossy plate, you don't need them, yeah?
Which you and bossy?
Them plastic. A sanitary plate, yeah?
Yeah, they're not always buy. I'm not going to be alright to use this though.
When another one over there, so paper?
No, these are plastic. When you're so.
Them here.
Yeah, them that paper, but
Oh,
them
them here
that small one.
$28.
Yeah, it's a lot. The whole bag.
It's not smart. No, so this is the paper one in a mommy.
Yeah.
Them
Well,
here better.
Them here better. Or when we go up there,
See what better, yeah? Them here.
You sure?
Yeah, and this at $12.90 something.
How much in a one pack?
I'm not sure. Let me check. Sorry.
What's it in one?
154.
Sure that better?
This way better. This a paper and it thick.
Should have one good enough, right? Should I do two of this?
Make sense?
No, get another one. That looks like it's different.
Are those two different color?
So how cup go now? Me have a big packer there.
You have red
That
cup.
Yeah.
You don't want a cup.
Yeah, me that look on these.
The smaller one them?
Yes.
Much of them here? $18? How much this?
These are small ones?
260. That's big. Oh, this is cheaper. This is $11. And this how much?
In there?
120. And this Avene 200 and
Yeah, we take that.
260.
And that's a more of a
And
little
this
cup,
smaller,
baby
yeah.
and juice, yeah.
But you buy dog food off of Amazon, right?
Yeah, I buy some. I come to the house. I think I buy one of this already.
Cold dog food there.
Them food are very expensive.
No, my love, me have one, me.
Their food, I have all this big right now. Them are not $12. I wonder how much of them at Walmart.
$12 for one.
Ah.
In a what name? What the place name? Stop and Shop. It's cheaper in there, sir.
No, not these big ones.
Well, maybe not.
Look it up on your phone right now before we come out here.
Well, get them. Get one of each. Oh, $12 for one.
Look at what for $12 this one. No, them for $6.
Yeah, tea mix. No, that's a tea mix. A tea mix, them here? Yeah, it is tea. That's it. $6.99.
Yeah. But no, we don't want iced tea. We want the Kool-Aid mix.
The Kool-Aid for $12.40 something.
Let me see one.
The lemonade tea mix are for $6.99. You not buy no tea none at all?
Bertie them love them enough.
I know. Oh shit.
$22 in Walmart. So I better
I better you take it up. No, sir, 6.
Take it off.
You want the whole
Put
6?
it there, sir. I wish I did one different flavor. That's good. You want garlic?
For your house? See they get it in the Walmart, right? Get it. Mommy say in here a real garlic. You can't bother. Much one bag of garlic in here?
$5.
$5.20? It's a big bag.
Yep. Drop them in another bag.
But now look for you, but drop in a barrel.
Yeah, drop them in there. Garlic at Jamaica, dear, like Jinal. You say, if you notice, every time you go in the store, the things are at a different place. They deliberately do that because they want you to walk out the store. They don't want you to know exactly the
Oh,
aisle
if
where
you
you're
go
going
check up. So you can just walk in, you pick
see
up other things.
stuff. Yeah. How are you? I'm blessed, thank you.
You buy water here?
Yeah, but not right now, not today.
You don't have to get it today. You just send it home. How often do you buy water?
I buy water maybe
Oh,
every
them now
2
delivering.
weeks.
You guys trimming or something?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, it's delivering, mama, right by your door.
Yeah.
Not right by your door.
You know, Costa Rica, I'm from. I speak a little Creole too. Costa Rica?
Right by your door. See, I'm so
No,
Jamaican.
sir.
You know Costa Rica?
If I know Costa Rica? Yeah? That's where you're from?
My great granny, she make rundown and all that.
Oh.
We make
Okay.
rundown in Jamaica too.
Yeah, I grew up thinking that rundown came from my country.
Uh-oh.
Maybe
Well,
it
we
do.
thought it's from our country, Jamaica. You hear it, by the way?
But I don't know which road you're going to live in where you're not here, but I don't know.
Never hear it. You must hear it.
Have to.
But sometimes can't is out of it. Me tell her say when could be I talk about it just sounds like something appears. So why could we do that? I don't know.
School loud loud. Of course, you can drop anything you want, but drop in a barrel, but how long it going to take for reach? Oh.
If them seat it down, that's why I always drop it in the bottom of the barrel. They don't spoil so easily.
Onion not spoil so easily?
No.
I thought I stink up everything in a barrel.
You don't do that. You just wrap it in a plastic. You have dinner for this evening?
You want me to cook today? You want me to cook?
Yeah, you could have cooked
Cook what?
You don't know anything with as long as I don't meat.
Not over here, you know. So
As long as it's not meat, my dear, you cook anything.
I don't know.
You have to find something them.
You're not getting the banana? Or you wait till you go Walmart?
You gonna cook banana?
I don't know what you want to eat.
Anything, you can cook banana and dumpling.
So get the banana.
So bring it.
Where you-
Nice on.
Anything you want to eat, just buy it and I'll cook it. I ain't got nothing to... Me say, I don't have nothing in the house. So anything you want to eat, just buy it and I'll cook it for you.
No, man, no, bother with it.
So what you going to eat? You going to eat burger today again?
No.
No.
I have one fish over there with me that fry in the air fryer yesterday evening.
That can't go work.
From dinner.
That can't work. Come.
You can't do for me alone.
No, you alone can't eat. Everybody have to eat.
But when I go buy, just go over here and go cook them, go cook for your house.
Yeah, you have to cook for all the way.
Tim knows say me I come to take out the something amount I carry and him gone. So I not feed him.
The month of day, me have to feed him and he's not doing nothing.
I'm not feeding
You're going to
anybody
feed him
who's
today?
late. I'm not feeding them. They're going to go
This is
work.
so pretty.
I always buy it.
What is it?
It's chips.
A vegan chips. So we make vegan chips, mommy?
But another one, me take the other one. That one
This?
yeah, but
Them here, the regular chips.
yeah, and this tastes really good in a can. This one right here.
Them look crunchy bad. Now with this
the
braces in my
purple one
mouth.
is right name beets.
Oh, come here, sir. What make them here?
You have beets. You have like the thing name.
Potato?
No, not potato. This is not potato. This is what name? Eggplant or something like that. Those things. All of that are them kind of stuff there. But they're really good. Really good.
Here said it's really good, you know. Agave, it good. To mix your tea with and stuff. Yeah. It's really, really good. That's some here. And it's organic. It's like honey, but I guess better or something.
Flour there now.
You want 2 flour?
Let me make sure it's not unbleached.
You have a flour named unbleached?
You have flour with bleach and you have flour with no bleach, no not alcohol. And this are the one with no bleach.
What the heck is bleach?
Them bleach out the flour can, so it's like a chemical them use to take out. You don't know what they take out that can. If you read up on them something else, you don't use them. That one here you put a see them and bleach right here. Those are bleached. See this? You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it bleach. Chemical full of. Look at this now.
Unbleached. So the two of them. Oh, this is not bleached. That's right. Okay, okay, okay.
So, look on the price.
$10.99 and the one over here. So all the one is cheaper.
Right.
I never know that.
You have to learn about the food that you put in your body.
Oh my God, I definitely learned something today.
Cheese good.
Gotta pack them properly.
Underneath.
Oh, you take the whole thing?
Yeah, just this.
The salt. See coconut here, coconut. 20. You so much for it?
Yeah, $30 on the price, but it's better buying it at
Costco, though?
Costco, yeah.
Yeah, because I know this month I'm going to pay for Costco.
No, it's better at Costco. Costco jug is bigger.
But you go Costco?
That's not the thing.
You probably for us get,
one
I
for
think,
Jamaica. Just get one.
you just need a small one for yourself. I make them use aisle.
Yeah, me not get about it. Me couldn't tell when me go Jamaica.
Yeah, well, $30 is crazy.
Downstairs.
You want it? You want this?
Yeah,
$30, my love.
it's expensive.
It is. I ain't want none of them here.
Yeah.
Oh, I wrong something I look on.
Can you know, sister? Oh, that could be $12.99.
It is $12.99. I wrong something on the
It's the
small
wrong one.
buckle. No, this is the wrong price. Me I look on a down here, so whatever is supposed to be down here, so corn aisle or something.
This what?
That's not bad. Yeah, that's come here and say, oh dear sir.
Yeah, that's good.
You don't need to. Not because of $12, you don't need to. But this is you don't need two of them. No. Oh, you're going to price right?
Yeah, I have to go to Price Right to get the sardine thing.
Oh, okay. This sound like a whole day something, my love.
Samaria.
148 pack of $13.49.
Me now left till tomorrow
Cup soup,
evening.
24
No,
pack,
Wednesday evening.
$11 basically, $10.49.
Alright, no, this no. Yeah.
Hot and spicy big noodle. I think it got like 12.
So that is totally
And it's for
different
13.
from this. You can do one of this then.
Yeah. Do do one of that me I tell you, you know, always use it and make fry up for feet pitney them. You gonna send a shop go buy one for much money?
No.
Oops, all your phone drop.
Yeah, go back.
I want it hot and spicy. No chicken. This a chicken. No chicken you want?
Yep, all of them say. We don't want to say but nothing in chicken they night.
This is the ramen flavor. The yeah, what they call it? Ramen. That me call it. This is another brand.
Yep.
What is
But
it?
this is really good.
It's gonna be spicy though.
No,
You like the spicy?
Yeah.
Okay. Spam is for. You only want one then, or you want two?
One of this and one of the other one. Two different kinds. You have to look on this up.
Which one cheaper? The two of them are the same
You
thing.
need both.
The one had 25% less sodium. Do you want sausage?
No, I don't.
Oh, I saw you buy the fish them. It's a red snapper. How much it is? 22? How much in there?
You look 50 how much.
It's big.
Sometimes they are bigger. You get 3 or 4, but I like use the smaller bag.
That means that you get them smaller and get more.
Like it's 5 or 6 in it than this one.
Okay. This one is for $23.99 and the
that
blue
is
one
the
for
thing.
$26.
Because it's better.
You love more expensive things.
No, it is better.
Yeah, but no, you are you taking this for yourself?
Yeah.
So
To
the
keep
the
in
yellow
the
one, the
house.
for birdie sell?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wonder if I should take one more of that.
The blue one or this one?
Yep, that one, the cheap one.
I don't know what you call cheap, you know.
And 19, I can.
Make sure you keep one upstairs for your pitney
They
them.
must know what they want to do with it.
Put two our shop for sale and one the blue one on your stairs, downstairs.
Nobody can put them, they can put them. But the night and day quill there.
You know, say you gotta try Walmart, see them yeah.
They're cheaper.
It's a bit what is now? It's a
That's
three
the beer,
different
but a
one.
3-pack.
At 25 something for them in here. Very good.
Hey, yo, where that gonna be at?
YouTube.
You live right now? Or you
No, I'm not live, I vlog, yeah.
Kayanntoocute.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I also make dancehall music. So
Okay. Alright.
Is that your sister?
I know, right? I can't believe it. Everybody thinks she's my sister. Everybody thinks she's my sister.
I've heard it.
That's crazy, I swear. Anyway, we're leaving BJ's and the bill for a full cart. How much you pay? 500? She paid $536 for BJ's.
170 plus, but really?
Oh, she gets some coupons. So yeah, we're getting out of here. And we're heading to Walmart. Walmart, ShopRite, one of them. Who? At first, me
them
I
here
come
for
down.
make juice.
Mm-hmm.
Them not them pretty.
But that eat some, you talk about drink.
Right now. Real ripe, the ripe one we want.
Ripe on them, yeah. All them on the ripe on the
Yellow
so.
one, them sweet. Good green one. I think that's enough, you know.
$1.99 for the bowl and basket brand.
You buy the store
The
brand.
pack. The bowl and basket are store brand.
You see something for 99 cents from Thailand?
Oh, them, yeah. 6 of this.
Yes. One that nice, right?
This.
Yeah.
The mix up. You can use this make salad.
It's for that.
See, price I get bigger. $15.
Bigger, but they look nice. This is $17 and this is $15. Where the $17 one is? This look bigger than it. Nice look here.
Mm-hmm. Me not buy them.
Why?
Then too dear.
You rather buy the little $7 pack one?
Me rather a saltfish. A saltfish them.
This give me two of that still in, but this are real saltfish.
So just get one of them,
Buy
yeah.
for myself, this how much
Two?
$100 me just spend.
No,
I
a
buy-
2 you buy? Me ask
where
you
me
for
go?
2. Oh,
Go. One and one?
how much?
No, 6 or 1.
6 of what? Hot?
Uh-huh. This enough, huh? We hand food, 34 and the rest. Cook it with the rice. That's so what to do it.
$5 feet, yes, so. How much feet at Jamaica? Corned beef there at Jamaica. Corned beef, very expensive, but you buy a couple.
And this are up at Jamaica can beef this, so you pay $5 here, much at Jamaica.
Me tell you, one corned beef for Jamaica about $1,000 or more. Probably 24. Probably.
Why would you do that?
Me never say that calm down.
Outside? No. I was looking. What is it?
$3 for one and one up beside $1 for one. So just check how much more. I don't know you and them. 2, 4, 6. A 6?
Yeah, guys.
2,
So
4.
much better can.
Get this.
This is Gaia.
You love Gaia brand.
This tastes better.
Never taste someone hating a guys, but she knows that tastes better. 2 of them.
Give me about 3 or 4 of them, yeah. How much it?
$11.99.
No, it can't be.
Around something milk pan.
How much it is?
This right here, so $6.40 something.
For what? What is it?
The same peas.
You take it home and me see how it.
That must be bigger bag over this. So.
No, the same bag, so we need to find out what not this supposed to be feed.
How much for the one on this? So?
$21.99. The rice I have to
The bag you have 60 something there.
how much the pack?
This have for $29.99. This have for 27 something. The one in on the price.
Try this rice. This rice is very pretty. And a jasmine.
$30.
Yeah, because the Italian jasmine rice is nice. You have toothpaste now or something?
No barrel?
Uh-huh.
No. I close alone in my barrel.
Toothpaste, no mouthwash. The drink mix we buy some already. I don't think I buy no more. Erin 24, see?
You can get toothpaste and something in Walmart or over here.
Yeah, Walmart.
You don't want cash back?
To get the summer, you $50 for Christmas and all more.
Alright, cuties, that is it for Price Right. And the bill came to $262. And we didn't even get no whole heap of things.
Nope.
True, you buy Jamaica food, that's all. Jamaican product tends to be a lot more expensive.
To buy
But anyway,
bring that to work.
Walmart with the van we're full. We don't need to go work. Sorry. I first see the color. The color yet for that?
No, no wonderful.
Oh, this is honey. This probably good. Honey cold, honey not good for your throat.
Severe cold and flu, but they quail. Severe.
Oh, damn. You want them here? Them here for $1.99. Oh, you want two of this and two of that?
That's what I just said.
What's the difference? Just grab four or one thing.
No, you don't need 4 or 1. And 2 of the one that I want, I do think soda.
$3.90.
For which one?
$3.90 for this, the Walmart brand.
Yeah, but
Walmart at Equate?
yeah. This
Yeah.
one 2.
Oh. But that's
$6.
$6 for.
For 2.
Oh, for two of them.
So if you can find a brown one, they're not 2.
No, they're not. They're not together.
And it's only one that you're pick up that one.
Only one that they want it.
Yeah.
Just take two of the blue one then. Cause they want four, right?
Yeah, but I want the brown one.
Oh, well. Cuties, tell me if them here gonna look exactly like the sneakers when we go to Jamaica last year. This is $25. And I tell you, this is the exact thing. I'm gonna pay like $100 for the sneakers now in the mall. I mean, I know it's not them, but this look like exactly like it. Who can tell? This, I love this. This nice. This is so nice. $25. This color right here, I'm coming to get back this because we have a burgundy tight suit. I think this looks so cute with it. Yeah, I'm coming back for that. And them have them in a so much color. All green. $25? Come on. Cute. This look like one good gym sneakers. Look soft and comfortable. This too. 28, 30. Anyway, I'm trying to find mom. My last saw somewhere in that story. I don't know where. Oh, this is cute. This is so pretty. $16. Cutie. Nice. So the one on this I search the sauce after I run this I look fair.
I look for the sauce when I go to get the cereal them here. Buy them enough there. Them must miss them something there. Then I have no intention of buying nothing for them.
It don't look like I eat in the or eat. How much cereal you want? Oh.
You get this too?
Yeah, $5 for them one here too. Yeah.
$5.70 something.
A $2 something for one. Oh.
The big one.
So why this done yourself for
20.
two something?
Because it's a small pack
Oh, so $5 something for it then.
with this.
So get like 3.
This is very good. The apple. This is strawberry. This one mixed one. They take 2 mixed one. 20, not them, yeah?
20?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's
Gosh.
it. That's it. I'm out of here. I don't think we came in here for anything else. The toothpaste, the mouthwash, and the cereal. That's all we come in here for.
That's it. Alright, cuties, we are leaving Walmart. And Walmart bill is $218. And I think that's it. Hey cuties, what's up? So we are back in the house. Now cook some food. Hold on there. I'm gonna do some canned callaloo and some saltfish and dumpling, banana, and piece of yam. Real fast and real quick. So I got work to do. Take out some of them before she carry them more yard. Alright, kids, we're gonna wash out the saltfish and put it back on some water. Oh, hot. That's what I'm here. And I say, yes, I want to go to my cat, eat them, and it's rich. And weak. And other arts, remember? Our father. The reason why it's our father. So come on, man, we need to marry now, Kagawa. You don't have to, and then, over here, I have to. The red. Let me know, she don't know, she. My rank carry a fan.
Okay, cuties, here you have it. I am finished. The food is looking so delicious, so scrumptious. Anyway, guys, I am about to go edit and get some rest for pot and barley tomorrow with mommy. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, or maybe in the next vlog. If this is too long, then this is the end of this vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Alright? Bye. Tell them, mommy.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
That part. How was the dinner?
Good, very, very good.
Okay.
Want more?
Guys, this is our plate.
No, me no want out
This
of my
is
plate.
our plate and she don't want out of that. She want out of the pot. Anyway, cuties. That's because my duck tight. You got a duck tight up. Alright, cuties, I'm out. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to like the vlog, okay? Peace.